welcome back to a video because you're tuning into the littlest kid on YouTube. So today, guys, I got this remote control for the ceiling fan. This is not on because it burned out. I'll show you guys. Watch this. Watch this, guys. That's my closet right there. Oh, that can't even see the socket, but no, I can with the flash. Look, burning out. Then it go like, look. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can tell in real life that when I turn it off, it goes like bright for for a second. Like, I don't know if you can tell that, but so yeah. I got it for this Harvard ceiling fan that I did a video of not yesterday, Sunday. This took a while for it to post. There it is right there. It didn't come with remote. It said right there, but it never did. It's the I know what it is now. It's the indoor ceiling fan. Harbor Breeze, not us. It's something in Spanish. I don't know a lot about Spanish. Alright, so let's open these. Oh, I forgot. I said these. I mean that I got these pull chains. Cool. I don't know if I'm gonna do with them, but I'm gonna open them today. No, on a separate video. Hi guys. Alright, we should start with, I'm gonna save the big one for last. To open these pull chains. It's gonna be really fast. Put the trash right there, I'll throw it away. Let's put the trash right here, I'll throw it away once the video's done. Never try this at home, guys. I'm doing it because I can't get it open. I'm not gonna go out there and get sharp things. Don't do this at home, guys. You mess up your teeth. Open. Alright. It's open now. Alright. We got ourselves some pull strings. Nice. This one's the light. I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little light bulb. And this one's the fan. Right there. I don't know if you can tell. Put them right here. I'll give you one more look at them, both of them. Pretty cool. They're pretty neat. Alright, set that right there. Here, I'll throw the trash away right now. There. Now let's open the remote. Alright. Voila. Alright, let's open this. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know if she came in the room, but that's okay. She's the one that helped me open the box in the last video. How do you? There. I was gonna have to use my teeth again. Voila. Oh, it's right there. Let's open this. I'm gonna keep the box as well. Here's the receiver. Good, looking good. Oh, there's paper. Oh, why are there two papers? Guys, look, there's two papers. I don't see no two remote, but there's two papers. They're instructions, sorry. Instructions. Alright, there that is. We got the remote. See? So the number one's low, medium, high. This thing is cool. And it has this wall holder. Oh, here's the wire nut stuff. Oh yeah, there's the wall holder. I'm not gonna open that right now. I just wanna oh, battery. So this goes right here. Oops, sorry. With the button. Now, whenever we do stong this thing, the ceiling fan, I'm definitely gonna put the remote on it. Sure. And it got this little paper. Alright, put this back in the box. Don't want to lose anything. I'll throw this away. That's trash. I'll just keep this. It might be something important. Keep all of these stuff. The receiver. Alright. Put it back in the box. Cool. Comment below if you have the bullpen that I got. We went to Walmart and I got this from Walmart too. And comment below if you have this remote control. But I have both. Yo, what if somebody had like both the same thing? That would be so crazy. Let me put these in here. I'll put this in here. And let me, I don't know how to. There, they don't want to crumble it up, mess it up. Alright, now that's put away. Throw the trash away. And alright, we're done. I'm gonna show you most of the things one more time before I head out. Alright, I'm gonna end the video off. Right. I guess I'm not gonna do not show my face, but yeah, I'll do it right here. Make sure you like, comment, share, and the most important thing, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.